Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. I am Kavya. Today's topic is immune system responses to exercise. As we all know, our bodies are constantly exposed to a number of infectious agents that could potentially make us ill. Fortunately, for the most part, our immune system does an excellent job of neutralizing these pathogens upon exposure. The key features we will discuss here is immune system pertains to exercise and one's susceptibility to infection. The two major branches of immune system are shown here: innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is by birth, adaptive immunity is what we adapt after birth. Well, exercise affects both branches in the interest of time. I will only focus on adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity responds to a specific infectious agent such as flu virus and make immune cells specifically designed to neutralize and kill that specific virus. The two arms of adaptive immunity include humoral and cellular component. Humoral component responsible for making specific antibodies that circulate in the blood to neutralize infectious agent. Cellular component responsible for making T cells that can kill cells that have already been affected. The effects of exercise on immune system. First, exercise intensity. Second, moderate bout of exercise has only a marginal effect on immune function. Third, however, a heavy intense exercise can transiently suppress immune function up to 3 hours post exercise. The suppression in both humoral and cellular immunity immediately post exercise has led to open window theory. It states that for several hours after an intense bout of exercise, your immune system is transiently suppressed, giving an opportunistic bacterial or virus the chance to get a foothold, leading to infection. You may have exposed to these infectious agents before exercise, but your body immune system has been effectively neutralizing them prior to intense bout of exercise. Thus, one's susceptibility towards infection is slightly greater after post-exercise recovery period. This is due to increased levels of stress hormones. They are cortisol, epinephrine, and norepinephrine. They are also known as immunosuppressor. Additionally, an increase in temperature as a course during exercise may also play a role in immune suppression. So now the question arises, should we really exercise if we are sick? I would say no, you shouldn't. As already been discussed, it suppressed the immunity. In fact, you should rest until you have recovered. You can do light easy exercises as tolerated if your symptoms are above neck, like common flu, and if your symptoms are below neck like fever, stomachache, etc., you shouldn't. How training, specifically endurance training, influence your immune system. Participation and moderate intensity exercise will improve overall immunity. Moderate training also increase your resistance to the negative effects of stress. Chronic high intensity training and overtraining can lower the immune system. Chronic stress also leads to suppressed immune system because it releases stress hormones like cortisol, epinephrine and norepinephrine. These hormones are also immunosuppressors. Not just stress, even your diet and sleep also affects your immune system. Thank you. I hope you liked the video.